You're watching Jam with Jesus, that is just a minute with Jesus, and this is a weekly devotional and the spoken words of Jesus Christ. This morning, I believe that you remember that we are on a series called Beatitudes. In the book of Matthew, chapter 5, verse 8, Jesus said, "Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God." In the world filled with impurities, Jesus is admonishing his disciples to maintain purity if they want to see God. To God, motives matter a lot. We can fool the world around us, but before God, all things are open. We tend to get affected even as we live in this impure world. We need to watch ourselves primarily in our thoughts, and our thoughts will govern us at least in 3 areas. Firstly, in our being. Being means who we are before God, not what we present to be before the world. Our being precedes our doing. Secondly, in our doing, that means in our actions. We will not do anything that displeases God. Thirdly, in our talking. If our thoughts are pure, our communication must change. We will not sin in our speaking. I pray this may be a portion in Jesus' name. Have a fantastic week ahead. God bless you.